Students, you all join with me for 30th maths class. So we shall start one more important and simple chapter, determinants. Determinants. Determinants chapter. Learning this chapter is so important because in most of the syllabus you are going to see. So this concept will come across. You must have to learn this concept, students. First I go for explaining what is that determinant is. What that determinant is. So I take matrix A. Let matrix A is equal to A, B, C, D. So I am taking the matrix as A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Then the quantity AD. First you multiply principal diagonal elements. First this side. You must multiply this side first. Then go for this side. Product of A into D, AD. After this multiplication, you must write minus. After this multiplication, writing that minus is must. You must write minus. After writing minus, you write this product B into C, BC. AD, bracket AD minus BC or CD. BC or CD. This quantity is called determinant. Is called determinant of the matrix A, matrix A, denoted by so we denote determinant of the matrix is denoted by det A short form. Det, DET, det A. Det A means determinant A or mod A, mod. Here if I write mod for the matrix A, it takes the meaning of determinant A, determinant of the matrix A. Or you write delta A. Delta means determinant of the matrix A. Mod A means determinant of A. How you read this? Practice reading this. Det A, determinant of A. Next, you read this as determinant of A. Next, you read this as delta A or determinant A. Or you can write determinant of A, B, C, D. Determinant lines. In determinant, you must use lines, vertical lines. You should not use brackets. Using brackets is not allowed. We use brackets for matrix. Carefully observe. Bracket should not be used. For determinant, you must use lines. Right. This is equal to the determinant of the matrix. The determinant of the matrix is equal to how much is the determinant of the matrix? AD minus BC. AD minus BC. You can use any of these symbols to represent the determinant of the matrix A. So if I write like this, delta A, determinant of the matrix, AD minus BC. For example, A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, minus 5. Find det A. Solution. Det A equals. You write det A or delta A or determinant A or like this. Any of these four symbols is correct. All these representations or notations are correct. Okay. Determinant. How do you find determinant of the matrix? So first this product minus 5 into minus 1, minus 2 minus plus 5. After this product I must use minus. 3 2s are 6. 5 minus 6 minus 1. This number minus 1 is called determinant of the matrix A. This number minus 1 is called determinant of the square matrix A. Determinant, from this it is so clear, determinant means real number. Determinant means a real number related to square matrix is called determinant. A real number related to square matrix is called determinant. This number is called as a determinant. Okay. Now let's go for same thing can be done for third order matrix. If I take let I take third order matrix. Let A equals A1 B1 C1, A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3, A3 B3 C3, A3 B3 C3, A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. Now how to find determinant of this third order matrix? Here it is plus minus plus. To find determinant of third order matrix, we have a rule. Follow this rule. Observe this carefully. How do you represent determinant of this matrix? Det A or delta A, det A in words order. Det A. First you take plus A1, A1. First you take plus A1. After taking A1, leave the row and column containing A1. A1 ಇರುವಂತ ರೋ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, A1 ಇರುವಂತ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಇವು 4. ಅವು 4ಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. You know how to find determinant of these 4 elements. First product is this one, B2 C3 minus, tell me that, B3 C2 or C2 B3 over. Now come to the second element. Now you take minus B1. Now you do the same thing. So leave the row and column in which B1 is present. Leave the row and column containing B1 ಇರುವಂತ ರೋ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, B1 ಇರುವಂತ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇವು 4 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಆ 4ಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಯು ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ A2C3 minus A3C2 ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ. So minus B1 over. Next go for C1. So tell me that plus C1 again. So you do the same thing. Leave the row and column containing C1 ಇರೋ ರೋ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, C1 ಇರೋ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇವು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇವು 4. This 4. You know how to find determinant of these 4 elements. ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. A2 B3 minus product of these two A3 B2. This quantity, this number is called as determinant of the matrix A. Whenever third order matrix is given, this is how we go for finding its determinant. For third order matrix, you need to calculate determinant in this way. This is how. I repeat it once again. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A1 ಇರುವಂತ ರೋ ಬಿಡಿ, A1 ಇರೋ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಿ. ರೋ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ 4 ಉಳಿತದೆ. ಈ 4ಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ. 4ಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ. B2 C3 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ these two minus B3 C2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, minus B1 ಬನ್ನಿ. minus B1 ಇರೋ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಿ, minus B1 ಇರೋ ರೋ ಬಿಡಿ. ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು 4. A2 C3 minus A3 C2. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ C1 ಬನ್ನಿ, C1 ಇರೋ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಿ, C1 ಇರೋ ರೋ ಬಿಡಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. C1 you ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ 4. A2 B3 I done that. Next minus A3 B2. I hope you understood this. Let's go for example. Matrix A is equal to -1 2 5 0 3 -8 7 1 5. Find det A. Det A or delta A, whatever it is. Right. So let's go for finding det A. plus minus plus. Find delta and tell me that. Now you take plus into minus, minus 1. You take minus 1, minus 1. As usual, leave the row and column containing minus 1. Minus 1 ಇರೋ ರೋ ಬಿಡಿ, minus 1 ಇರೋ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡಿ. ಈ 4 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ. 5 3s are 15. ಇವೆರಡು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. minus 8 into 1 minus 8. If you are brilliant enough, you could do this. You could do this multiplication in mind itself. Minus into minus plus. 5 3s are 15. After this product, we go for writing 1 minus. You keep that minus in mind. 1 minus is in mind. One more minus is here. That minus in mind and this minus into minus plus. You can avoid that. Okay. Next, minus 2. Minus 2 into row, column. Leave that row, column. So these 4 elements. 0 into 5, 0. Minus 8 7s are 56. Minus 56. Product of these two. After this product, writing minus must. Then multiply these two. Minus 8 7s are minus 56. Or you could have made this could have made minus into minus as plus in the mind itself. Right. Next, plus 5. Leave that column row. These 4 elements. 0 into 1, 0. Minus 7 3s are 21. Simplify now. Det A. Minus into minus plus. 15 plus 8, 23. Fine, 23. Here we have one more minus. It should be minus 23. Next, minus into minus plus. Plus into minus. 56 2s are. 6 2s are 12. 1. 5 2s are 10. 11. 56 2s are. Minus into minus plus into minus. Minus into minus plus into minus. 6 2s are 12. 2 1. 5 2s are 10 11. Let's come to that. Minus 21 5s are. Minus to plus minus. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. Okay. Now you have this. 100 plus 100 200. 100 plus 100 200. 200 plus 20 220. 220 plus 10 230. 230 plus 3 233. 233 plus 2 235. 235 plus 5 240. I think it's correct. So let us cross check. 105 112 23. 240. It is minus 240. This number minus 240 is the determinant of this matrix. If you practice solving more problems of this type, surely you will learn. So more practice is required. Next, let us solve some more problems. Now, we shall solve problems on this. Evaluate the determinant. First question. Evaluate the determinant. Delta equals 1 to 4 minus 130 410. Evaluate means finding. One thing you remember this, students, so important point. 1 2 3 4 You observe this point. This is matrix. You should not expand matrix. Matrix is not equal to 4 minus 6. This is not correct because it's a matrix. Matrix means alignment. It is not equal to, it never be equal to real number. If I write like this, now it is real determinant. Matrix means arrangement, that's all. Determinant means real number. Matrix means arrangement. Should not go for expanding matrix. So be careful, otherwise you lose marks. Just because of wrong symbols, you lose full marks. Keep that in mind. Don't expand matrix. If I write lines, it takes the meaning of determinant. Then you go for expanding this. 4 minus 6. Now it is correct. Determinant matrix. Observe the difference. Determinant matrix. Now, is it determinant or matrix? Determinant. We have lines. Determinant can be expanded. Matrix should not be expanded. Determinant can be expanded. Matrix should not be expanded. Basic points. Remember that. Right. Let's go for expanding that. Solution. Delta. As usual. Plus minus plus. 1 into row column, leave the row column, row BD common BD, you 4, 3 into 0 0 minus 1 into 0 0. Next you take minus 2 thoroughly, BD column BD row BD, column BD row BD, you 4 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, minus 1 into 0 0, 4 into 0 0. Go for last one. Plus 4 into BD, column BD, row BD, column, leave that column, row, you 4, product, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, after this product, I should write minus, ಇವೆರಡು multiply ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ minus ಬರೀಬೇಕು, 4 3 is not 12, ಸರಿ ಗಮನಿಸಿ, 1 into row BD, column BD, 0 minus 0, next minus 2 into, minus 1 into 0, minus 1 into 0 0, minus 4 into 0, minus 0. Lastly 4 into, leave the row and column, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 4 3 is 12. Simplify this. Delta means determinant. You know that very well. 0 minus 0 0, minus 0 plus, right, 4 into minus 1 minus 13. Delta is equal to, leave that 0 0 minus 0 0, 13 4s are 52, minus 52, minus 52. We got determinant value. I think you understood this. Let us go for one more question. So right, evaluate. Let us solve one more question, students. So easy, but you need to practice. Evaluate. Delta equals 0 sin alpha minus cos alpha minus sin alpha 0 sin beta cos alpha minus sin beta 0. Is it determinant or matrix? Determinant means you can go for expanding that. Delta equals, I think 0 and anything is 0. Plus minus plus, 0 and anything is 0. Next you come to minus sin alpha into column row 0 minus cos alpha sin beta. Lastly, plus into minus cos alpha, leave that column row, product of these two, minus plus, sin alpha, sin beta, minus 0. I hope you understood. Delta is equal to minus into minus plus, sin alpha, cos alpha, sin beta. Minus into plus minus, I write in order, sin alpha, cos alpha, sin beta. Plus term minus term get cancels, it is 0. I hope you understood, students. Practice these things very well. So we shall meet in the next class. Thank you.